In this Excel video, we'll look at various ways to format your data using the font group and quick styles on the ribbon. When you click on any cell in your spreadsheet, you'll see some of the formatting that has been applied to the cell in the font group. This cell has Calibri size 11. To change the font type, click on the drop-down against the font type and choose whatever you would like from the list. As you can see, there are loads of fonts to choose from. To change the font size, click on the drop-down against font size and choose whatever you would like from the list. You could also type the size in the size box and press enter to apply it. Alternatively, you could use the increase font size button, click as many times as you like to increase the size, or use the decrease font size button to make the font smaller step by step. To make the font bold, guess what? Click on the B in the font group. You could also do Ctrl B on your keyboard. Click on I for italics or Ctrl I, U for underline or Ctrl U. You'll notice the buttons have changed color. To remove this formatting, click once on the same buttons. These are known as toggle buttons. Click once to apply it, click again to remove it. To change the font color, click on the drop-down against font color. Choose the color you would like from the theme colors or standard colors. Or to be more specific, you can go to More Colors, click on Standard to choose a different color, or from Custom, you can move around the grid, make it darker or lighter, and you can also enter the exact RGB codes if you know them. Click OK when you're ready. If you can't see what you need within the font group, you can click on the tiny button in the corner of the group. This is known as a dialog launcher. Whenever you see a dialog launcher, there are further options available. This particular launcher will open the Format Cells dialog box, and from here you can alter the number, the alignment, font, etc. I'm just going to change that green. Click OK to apply it, or Cancel to escape. Alternatively, you can highlight the cells you would like to format, right-click on top of the highlighted cells, and choose Format Cells from here. I'll just press Escape to jump back. Or you can do Ctrl 1 on your keyboard. Towards the right of the Home tab, you will see the Styles group. Click on Cell Styles, and then you can click on any style to apply quick formatting to your data. What's really useful is from Cell Styles, if you click on Normal, the font will return to the default Calibri 11 black. In this video, we've looked at formatting fonts in Excel.